So Inktober is finished now, and I wanted to do a little like after movie type of thing where I want to show you guys what sort of materials I used and what challenges I faced during the Inktober challenge. So here we go. So like material wise, I've got my brushes here and they're pretty new. Not sure which brand they are. It says something about Royal. Honestly, I got them a while ago and I bought them online, so I'm not sure what brand they are, but they're specifically for watercolor and ink, so they're perfect. And you can see which ones I used and which ones I didn't. And for sketching, I used this old pencil case with a bunch of different ones. I've had this since high school, so it's by this brand, but honestly, I think pretty much any pencils would do. Once I got the sketch done, I moved on to inking the lines with fineliners. These are by STAEDTLER and they come in a bunch of different sizes, and I like to use the 2 and 3 millimeter ones best, and maybe the 5 or the 8 one for making a bigger outline. If I wanted to do like some serious brushwork, I have this Brushpen by Pigma. It's got this really that was hard. It's got this really nice soft tip, which allows you to create like a bunch of different strokes. Actually, I used that on the preparation sketches right here, so it's a nice brush pen. For some of the prompts, I used these are brush pens by Pigma, Sakura, and they're super nice, and I haven't really tried them out that much except for the red one for some quick highlights, but I definitely want to work more with these because they are like super nice. Also got these. They are also by Sakura, I think. Zentangle they're called. It's got a white gel pen and a white pencil that I used for highlights. I haven't really used the gold one, but maybe I will in the future. For the ink, I started out using this old ink bottle that I got during college, I think. So it's pretty old, but and while I was in the middle of Inktober, I kind of figured out it wasn't really like black. It was more of a washed out black, so I went ahead and bought this one, and this is like really nice black ink. So I really recommend getting this one. It's, I think, a bit more expensive, but it's definitely high grade, so it will make you happy. And during Inktober, I also got a little bottle of white ink, which sucked. It really sucked. So I don't recommend getting this one at all because it's more of a transparent sort of ink and it's not white at all. So definitely don't get that one if you want to do highlights. And this is my palette. It's really nothing special. It's just a plastic palette, but it allows you to make different ink washes so you can play with the values in your piece. So it's really good. Here we have different kinds of paper that I work on. It's all by the same brand. It's called PaintOn, and this one is A5 size and this one's A4. Both of these are. This one is a more tan natural color instead of white, and then this one is gray, which allows you to play with the white highlights, so that's really nice. And this one is a standard white one. and they're all 250 grams paper, so they're nice and thick and they don't bend or curl at all when you work with it. And finally I use my tablet for finding references. And this right here is my mount. It's just a regular sort of mount, I guess, with this guy right here, which allows me to put my iPhone in it to film all the videos. And last but not least, this is the daylight lamp that I got from a friend of mine that she's allowing me to borrow, which was honestly so awesome to use. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all of it. That's all the stuff I used for Inktober this year, and I didn't quite make it, like I didn't do all the days, but I'm definitely happy with what I was able to produce, so I'm definitely gonna do it again next year.